Welcome to our English channel, where we make learning fun and exciting. In this video, we are going to learn the prepositions of movement.
Hi, Paul. I had a cool dream last night. Can I tell you about it? Sure, Alice. I'm listening. Well, in my dream, I was in a big park. I walked across the green grass and saw a playground. That sounds fun. What did you do next? I went into the playground and climbed up the slide. Then I slid down the slide and ran along a path. Exciting. What happened next? Suddenly, I was in a forest. I walked through the trees and found a hidden cave. Mysterious. What was inside the cave? I went into the cave and saw glowing crystals. Then I walked out of the cave and saw a river. Cool. Where did you go from there? I walked past the river and found a bridge. I walked under the bridge and saw a path leading towards the mountains. Adventurous. Did you climb the mountains? No, I walked around the mountains and reached a vast flower field. I picked up a flower and put it on my head. What a dream, Alice. Yeah, it was awesome.